What can you do if you feel a guy might be secretly interested in you to find out for sure? Fortunately, a person will often show hints that he is interested in someone. Pay close attention to his body language, the way he addresses you, and his conduct when you are around. There are few things through which you can confirm that a guy secretly likes you, so you'll know when to make your move. Keep an eye out for cues in his body language, such as making eye contact and leaning closer while speaking. He'll also start engaging you physically more. Extended eye contact indicates that he is interested in you. Catch his attention the next time you see him and watch to see if he glances back or looks away. People are inclined to grin when they see someone they admire. Therefore, if your guy likes you, he will be visibly thrilled to see you. Men with a crush spend a great deal of time gazing at the object of their affection. He may not be aware of how blatantly he admires you. A man who is interested in you will desire physical proximity. A guy that is interested in you will be curious about what you have to say. Unconsciously, men prefer to mirror those they like. Mirroring is when someone covertly imitates you by adopting a similar tone of voice and performing the same body gestures. A man who likes you will not wait around for your response. Consequently, he will not hesitate to approach you and strike up a conversation at every opportunity. When a man likes you, he will attempt to minimize the competition. Consider the frequency with which he mentions persons other than his close friends and family. It can be intimidating to tell someone you like them directly, so a person may instead demonstrate his affection by expressing support. He respects and desires to impress you if he solicits your input. Observe how frequently he seeks your insight or advice to determine whether he likes you. If he believes that you may be attracted to another person, he will become envious. Bring up a male friend of yours and observe his reaction.